Here I have Xiaomi Mi 5 and let me show you how to accomplish entering the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at first let's hold down power key for a few seconds. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards let's use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds. And release all keys as soon as Fastboot mode pops up on the screen. Now you can use your desired mode or you can simply quit it by pressing power key and volume down again. So let me show you. Let's hold down together these two keys. And release them as soon as phone goes black. Now the Xiaomi is restarting. Excellent, as you can see now you may use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.